Welcome to Panama. Today we're in Bocas Del Toro and today we're gonna explore some beaches. First of all, we're gonna visit Playa del Drago Beach. We're gonna have to take a bus if the bus is still there. And we're gonna check out the bus station right now because it's 12 and it's supposed to leave at 12, so we might as well be late. It seems like the bus is still here. Just got dropped off here. That was a wild bus ride. That was bumpy as f. Anyway, we made it, and now apparently we're finding a swing. This looks beautiful so far. And of course they have a swing here too. We just started a walk to the Starfish Beach. That is beautiful. This is so damn good. Yep, just passing through. This is my kind of walk. I am loving this. A bit of jungle and a bit of beach. Perfect combination. You're walking on the beach and then you find a random house in the jungle next to the beach. Imagine living here. Damn, no words. I would not have a problem with waking up here every day. Yep, I think we finally made it to Starfish Beach because there's a bunch of boats here. This must be it. Okay, that's nice. Okay, wow, I did not expect to see a sloth up in the tree that close, especially not with a baby. That was amazing. I got some very cool pictures. Again, take a look at my Instagram if you want to see the pictures. They are lovely. That was such an amazing experience. Now we need to find the Coco Loco. Apparently that's the end of the beach, but we're gonna get a drink and then we'll see if we can find any starfish around here. I think we finally found it.
I think it's a
The Coco Loco. Will it be a real one in a coconut? This guy is literally getting a fresh coconut out of the tree. How fresh can it get? We finally found it. It's ready. The Coco Loco. Cheers. That's good. I like these kind of coconuts. Perfect. That was lovely. We got to see some starfish. We finally found the coconut, and it couldn't be any more fresh actually. So that was perfect. So back on the trail on this lovely beach right here, and we'll have to see what the rest of the day brings us. Let's see if I can find a coconut. Will I reach it? No, it doesn't. Not gonna work. The second beach we're gonna visit is Playa Bluff, which is on the east side of the island, and we're gonna take another bus there, which should be here any minute because we're back in the center now. Apparently, you have to take a bus all the way back to the center, and then you can take another one to Playa Bluff. Oh, some big waves.
Wow.
Okay. That is nice, actually. So $3 and 30 minutes later, we made it to Bluff Beach, Playa Bluff. It's a lot more quiet than I expected, actually. This is so nice. There's only one chair of people, two, and us. This is so much better than I expected, actually. I'm loving this. I think this is the most beautiful yellow beach I've ever seen. Curry. I just heard it's curry colored. But yeah. Oh, this is perfect. Especially with this amount of people on it. There is no one, and I'm loving it. Now we're gonna walk up the beach and maybe find a nice place or something. Because if we don't, I'm gonna have to catch some coconuts again. So that was a lovely time here at this beach. This is absolutely beautiful. Now, time to head back. If we're lucky, there's going to be a bus, and if we're not, it's going to be a long walk. Okay, we were looking for the bus station, and apparently this is it. So yeah, there's no schedule for the bus, so you'll never know when it's coming, or if it's coming, even. Okay, so someone might have missed the bus, and now we are on a walking adventure and hope to find a new bus. Otherwise, it's gonna be a long way home. So today we are going to visit the best place in all of Bocas. We're here at Getaway Tours, and today we're gonna visit Zapatillo, which is, or should be, the most beautiful island in this region, in the Bocas Del Toro. And we're gonna see some dolphins, hopefully, and we're also gonna do some snorkeling. Anyway, let's hop on a boat. We did get to see some dolphins, a few. I didn't get a really good shot at them, but I did get, I think there must be some good ones. Anyway, we made a quick stop here at the restaurant, take a pee break and everything. You can order your food now to get that later when we stop here.
arriba a las 4:30. Ah, 4:30. ¿Estamos ahí a las 4:30 o salimos de aquí a las 4:30?
Huh? Hello, hello. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Which one is dead? How do you know?
I don't know. Oh no, he's alive. Look at this.
Our next stop is zapatillo. It's raining a bit, but we're gonna make the best of it. It's gonna be beautiful anyway. So back on the boat and on to zapatillo. So we made it to Zapatillo. It was quite a bumpy boat ride, but we survived and we made it. It is raining, but it is still damn beautiful. We're gonna make the best time of it. So, this looks cool already. I think it ends here. Unless you want to go in there. Okay, we got dropped off in Isla Colon, and it started pouring on the island, so we had to seek shelter. And then we did stop for some snorkeling, but I guess it was not worth it. We stopped at a restaurant, didn't have any food, so basically we skipped almost half the tour. But that island was pretty. That was very beautiful. That was definitely worth it. We're gonna make some food, and hopefully we can end our time in Bocas with a little party tonight.